again, welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in all of my Ipsy boxes for the month of May of 2020. I have the Ultimate here, the Plus, and the Regular. I've actually already unboxed my Ultimate, so we're not going to open that one up today. I will have it linked up here and down below because we are going to be doing a really big giveaway where I combined almost all of my items from all three of my boxes in my bag from this month, and I'm going to be giving it away to you guys. So stay tuned to the very end of the video so I can let you know what items will be going in the giveaway. This is going to be the giveaway video, so definitely make sure that you are listening for instructions on how to enter and all of that. So I'm just really excited to have another giveaway on this channel. As you guys know, I did give away almost all of my products in my Ipsy Plus last month, so I'm excited to give away almost all of them from all of the boxes. So if you guys would like to support me here on this channel, then please click the thumbs up button since I am your super friendly spoiler and unboxing girl. I have also noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not subscribed to me, so if you would do me the honor, if you are a viewer, to please subscribe to me. It would mean so much to me. You have no idea. Again, I want to thank you for joining me today, and let's go ahead and get into the video. So I'm gonna start with my Ipsy Glam bag here. Okie dokie. So here is the bag. Really pretty. I do like this one a lot more than the Ultimate bag. Why is my lighting doing that crazy thing? Go back. Super pretty, and let's see what we have inside. Here is my little card, and of course the theme this month is Get That Glow, and hopefully this is going to tell me prices. No, so it's not going to tell me prices just like the Ultimate didn't, which is strange. But anyways, let's get on to what products are in here. Number one, we have something from Pure Lease. This is the Matcha Green Tea plus Lemon Detoxifying Charcoal Mask, which gently detoxifies pores, clarifies and brightens, exfoliates, and purifies. So that is what we have here. We also have this gloss from Tarte. This is the H2O gloss in the shade Sail Away. So here is just a super pretty everyday gloss. Here is something in bubble wrap from Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadow, I think is what it's saying. Let me open it up. I'm going to check and make sure it's not broken. So here is the packaging. Super cool. And this shade is in Intense Stargasm. I feel like I should start incorporating some ASMR into my videos. Here is the shade. Let me open it up. Super gorgeous. I think you're really going to like this. Next up, we have my choice item, which is from Estate. And this is the Do Me Baked Highlighter in the shade Bye. So let's see. Oh yes, super pretty. Let me open it up. Here is the shade. I'm actually going to use this as a highlighting powder, like an all over highlighting powder. I actually have another highlighter from Estate that I really like. Here it is. It's just this pink shade. This one's mine. Really like it. So I'm excited to try out this one. And then the last item in this bag is a chapstick in Peach Blossom. It's an organic lip balm from Lasting Smiles. Now it's time to see what I got in the Plus box. And of course, like I said, I will show everything that's going to be in the giveaway at the end of the video. I tell you what, I sure miss my knife. That is for sure. I really need to find it, honestly. Okay, here we go. So again, same card, no information. Love that. Okay, so we have some brushes from Sugar Rush, which is Tarte's brand. We're seeing a lot of Sugar Rush and Tarte products in like Boxycharm and Ipsy this month. So weird. This is just a brush set, which I'm actually really excited about. Comes in a really pretty packaging. And here are the brushes. Super pretty. They just kind of look like pencils. They have a little point and they are very soft. Super excited to give these a go. Here we have from Nomad. This is a Kiss of Sun palette, which is just a blush and bronzer palette, which was my choice item. Nomad has really great products, so I'm so excited to play with this. Packaging again. Let's give it an open. And here are the shades. What is wrong with them? Oh, there's nothing wrong with them. I was just like, what is that in the center? But it's just the way it looks. They're like little suns. Very excited about this. Very, very excited. So I'm really happy. I'm really happy with this. Oh, here is the little bag for the plus. Super, super cute. I really like this one. I think this one's probably my favorite. No, wait, I like the pink one. Okay, but this one's really, really cute too. Okay, so we have a product from Tarte. This is the Tarteist Lip Paint in the shade Choker. Beautiful packaging. Let's see what the shade is. Oh, a really, really pretty neutral color, which is perfect for anyone. Really, really like this. Then we have a high def volumizing defining mascara from Beauty for Real. Not going to open it, but here is a mascara. And then the last item in the box is a face mask. This is from the brand Mud Masky. This is an aftermask vitamin serum, pH balanced, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, and nourishing. So now it's time to go over all of the products that will be coming in the box and then going over the details on how to enter the giveaway. So we're gonna have the mascara in here, the Pure Lease Matcha Green Tea and Lemon Detoxifying Charcoal Mask, the Tarte H2O Gloss, the full-size Tarte Lip Paint in the shade Choker, the single eyeshadow, the Mud Masky face mask, of course the ultimate bag, the Pure Hills Peel Off Mask, the 2 sheet masks, the Dermedicine Weightless Face Moisturizer, the Invigorating Hand and Body Lotion, the Naked Cosmetics Lip Scrub, the Laura Geller Urban Garden Central Park Face, Eye, and Cheek Palette, the In Beauty Lip Oil, the 2 eyeliners, one in black and one in brown, and then finally a highlighter from IBY Beauty. So if you guys want to win all 3 of these bags, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, of course. Be following me over on Instagram. Instagram is where I'm going to notify the winner of this giveaway. Leave a comment down below when you have subscribed and you have followed, and leave your Instagram handle down below so I can contact you when you win. Now, since this is a pretty big giveaway, I am going to open this up to US residents and Canada only. I'm sorry this is not an international giveaway, as shipping would cost so much and it would probably take a very long time for it to get to you, since, you know, we have a lot going on and shipping is kind of delayed for everyone right now. So US residents and Canada only. And the giveaway will end 2 weeks from today. I will have that information down below when the giveaway is going to end. And yeah, that is it for this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me. If you guys want to see what I got in my Boxycharm boxes for this month, I will have them linked down below. I haven't gotten my base box yet, but I will be unboxing that soon with one of my friends here on this channel if she still wants to whenever we get our boxes. But I do have my premium up. I can tell you that the premium was kind of a dud, especially after the fact of me filming it and realizing a few things. So yeah, definitely go check out that video. I'll have a link down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!